Carl Johnson, Florida School of Woodwork here. I'm here with my good friend Peter Borchards, and we're in the Smoky Mountains, North Carolina, just outside of Waynesville. We're taking down a tree for Dave Fisher's class, what we affectionately call whack-a-bowl. And it's where Dave's going to be teaching the students how to carve a bowl by hand using an adze. So Pete and I are going to go up here into the woods right now and take down, it's about a 12-inch in diameter poplar tree. And we're going to take it down, drag it back out here, and cut it up into sections that Dave can use. Let's go. Okay, Pete's down here getting set up in the woods with the chainsaw. And I've found that I've done my best chainsaw work when it's in somebody else's hands. Job well done.